Hey guys, Mike Malborough. Welcome back to Wallet Reset. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, is Clickbank University 2.0 worth the money? And if you stick to the end, I have something that I think you're gonna like, so make sure that you stick to the end. My nose itches. If you are interested in learning more about marketing, online business, or how to make money online, click the subscribe button because I make awesome videos about it all the time. I think you're going to like it. Sign up for notifications because you don't want to miss anything, baby. Anyway, Clickbank University, right? Before I get into Clickbank University, let me tell you, for the people who don't know anything about Clickbank University, anything like that, what they're all about. So it all starts with Clickbank. So Clickbank, long story short, is a merchant account that allows people who own products to sell their products from there and collect payments. And it also allows people who want to make money as an affiliate to sell those people's products and make a commission. Okay? They're one of the top affiliate programs in the world. As a matter of fact, I believe they're number 2 behind only Amazon. So Clickbank is a very, very, very strong company. They're not going anywhere, and I don't believe that they've ever missed payments when it comes to paying their affiliates or their vendors or the product owners. So a couple years ago, they decide, hey, let's teach some of these affiliates and some of these vendors how they can start a business online and make money. And they decided to create Clickbank University. Now, Clickbank University is essentially the product that is supposed to help you go from not knowing anything to do to hosting your first product, making sales, or making sales as an affiliate. So now that we got that out the way, let me tell you more about my review of Clickbank University 2.0. So first, I'll give you the good things, then I'll give you the bad things, then I'll give you my overall thoughts and recommendations, okay? So, the good thing is, it's by Clickbank. Clickbank, like I said, one of the biggest affiliate programs in the world. You can trust that they're going to do good business with you. Number 2 is that Clickbank went out and got very, very good instructors. The 2 people that they chose to teach the course actually were listed among some of the top entrepreneurs. I believe it was, I want to say it was like 2012, 2013, something like that. They met President Obama. It was a big deal. And then number 3 is that, it's Clickbank. Clickbank has almost like the inside scoop on how business is done online because they are one of the biggest affiliate programs. They know what works. They know where good traffic comes. They know where bad traffic comes, and they can kind of steer you in the right direction. And so you have the backing of Clickbank to really help you to cut through the nonsense in some cases. Now, here's the cons, and you're going to want to hear this. So, number 1, right, and this is a big one, is Clickbank actually benefits more when a product owner comes on as a vendor, and not as much when an affiliate comes on as a salesperson. Now, the reason why that is because if let's say you have 100 products and you've got 1,000 affiliates, well, these 1,000 affiliates will sell any of these 100 products, but the more products that are able to be sold, the more money Clickbank makes, the more money affiliates make, the more people that they can pay. So they actually, I would say this, if you are a product owner, definitely get Clickbank University because they're the best. They're the best at what they do. If you are an affiliate, I would say this, don't do it. And that leads me to number 2, right? The reason why you don't do it is because if you're an affiliate, right? Setting up an affiliate business is not like creating your own product. It can be done, like I literally teach people to do this all the time. I've helped people do this countless amounts of times. Setting up an affiliate business can take 2 hours, right? To be done. Like start to finish. You can start right now at, let's say it's 5 o'clock and then end at 7 o'clock before dinner time. So your goal as an affiliate is to knock off small chunks at a time, right, to get to the point where you're making money. What they do is they make you wait, right? They give you 3 videos that essentially are all talking about getting ready to start. They don't let you start, right? So you get 3 videos and you have to wait a week. Now, Clickbank University has, I think, 8 to 10 modules. And here's the thing. If you got to wait, let's say 8 weeks minimum, 10 weeks maximum, to get all of the content just to be able to have a business that you can actually start, all right? And it could have taken you only 2 hours to do the exact same thing. And then why do they do that, right? And here's the thing. This is why I said what I said before. It makes perfect sense if you are a vendor, if you own a product, to go through that 8 to 10 weeks because you have a product that you're formulating, you're creating, and you're putting out. If you're an affiliate can literally spend a couple of hours, like you can get up and running in 48 hours, period, to the point where you're getting results from your business. And if it takes them 8 weeks to do that, and here's the point that you have to understand. Clickbank has a 60-day money-back guarantee on every product. So if you are going to give me 8 weeks to refund and then you make it so that I don't get the basic product until 8 to 10 weeks, then essentially you're only doing that when it could be done in 48 hours. You're only doing that to make sure I don't refund. You get what I'm saying? So it's something that I think that most people who are an affiliate, in my honest opinion, they're just not going to get the value out of it from the core module, right? Now, they do have other parts of it, like they teach Facebook advertising on some level. And I say on some level because, and this is kind of number 3, right? The things that they try to teach you are so big, right? And it takes a lot of effort and a lot of time in it to really understand what you're doing, that it really comes to a point that you're probably not going to get as much value as an affiliate as you would just selling a product. Just being straight up honest with you. And if you choose to start as an affiliate and not as a product owner, then you're pretty much just guaranteed to take a lot longer. Now, at the end of 8 to 10 weeks, you can have some confidence, right, that you were taught by the best. So if that's something that makes sense for you, then by all means do that. But anyway, I'm just going to get straight into it. Overall, I would recommend, as I said before, Clickbank University 2.0 to people who have a product or an idea that they want to promote as their own product. I think that is primarily the audience that Clickbank University 2.0 is really designed for. It's designed for people who have a product that are going to list their product on Clickbank, right? Now, if you are just like, I'm not really sure if I want to create a product, I just want to get started, make some money, it's a side hustle kind of a thing, and not really something that is going to blossom into, or maybe you're not looking for it to be a all-in, like I want to make my product a bestseller. Then starting as an affiliate is where you would really start, and I don't think that you're going to get as much value out of Clickbank University as you could from elsewhere. Now, I'm saying this kind of as a way to also let you know that I have a course that literally will teach you the same thing or a similar process as what the affiliate marketing version of Clickbank University 2.0 does, except for my course doesn't cost you $97 a month. I literally give it away. And so if you are only looking at affiliate marketing, right, and if you're not trying to be a product creator, you should check out Starter's Formula, because it's going to walk you through step by step how to start and get everything done. All right. Now, if you're a product owner, if you want to own a product and you don't mind giving yourself 2, 3, 4 months to really start to get the ball rolling, because you are looking for a long-term success with your product, then I would say definitely check out Clickbank University, because it's an excellent product. Okay. Now, like I said, if you are an affiliate, go below on this video and click the link. And if you're not an affiliate, right, if you are planning to be a product owner, I still want you to check out Starter's Formula. And here's the reason why, right? So if you are a product owner, doing the Clickbank University will give you an understanding of how to be a product owner. But you have to also understand where your affiliates are coming from in order to get them to promote for you. The best way to do that is to know what your affiliates know, which is exactly what I show you in Starter's Formula. And since it's free, it literally is just like, why not? So anyway, hopefully that helped you guys. If you have any questions, comments, anything like that, go ahead and hit the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Also, if you have any questions not pertaining to Clickbank University, but just pertaining to making money online in general, go ahead and hit me up below, right? And I'll definitely do my best to make sure I answer your questions for you. Hopefully you guys got something out of this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace.